We'll guide you through how to install the Telegram app on an Android phone. If you find this useful, then consider subscribing and liking the video. It's really great to go and have the Telegram app on your phone because then you can go and message on it, have calls, etc. and just use your account. So we're going to guide you through how this is done. Even if it is the first time as well, you can still set it up on there. So make sure you have a connection to the internet via Wi-Fi or cellular data. Then what you need to do is you need to go and open up the Play Store here. So go and tap on it like so. What you want to do is go and press search at the bottom. You can browse for the apps, but the search is the quickest way I found. At the top, you can press the search bar and you want to go and type in Telegram. You should go and get suggested it and you can go and tap on it. So as you can see, here it is here. You can go and press install to the right or tap on it and press install here at the bottom. Now what you need to do is go and wait for it to go and download. It shouldn't go and take too long, but it will go and depend upon your internet speed. Keep waiting. As you can see, it's now finished. It says open. So you can go and press open there or come out of the Play Store and you can swipe up and start swiping across until you go and find it. You can tap and hold on Telegram and you can go and press add to home like this. Now what you can do is you can go and tap on it to open it up. It will shortly go and load and you can then go and press start messaging. To go and set it up, you'll go and enter in your phone number here. So you can go and press allow, it will go and detect it and you can go and start using it.